Hello everyone. So the question is the compound that has the largest HMH bond angle. Here M stands for nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur and carbon as per the option. So the options we have here is CH4, H2S, NH3 and H2O. So in order to find the bond angle between the compounds, we check two factors. First is hybridization between the atoms and the second is number of lone pairs. So let's before doing the question, let's first check what hybridization has what angle. So sp has the largest. The elements of sp hybridization will have the largest bond angle, which is 180 degree, and after that comes sp2. sp2 has 120 degree of a bond angle between them, sp2 elements, compounds. Then we have sp3. The compounds with sp3 hybridization have 107 or 9 degrees of angle, bond angle. Then comes Drago compounds. Drago compounds have they have close to 90 degree of bond angle between them, 90 to 93. So now let's move to the question. We will check the hybridization between the following atoms. In this case, CH4, H2S, NH3 and H2 all have sp3 hybridization. So now we will check how many lone pairs are between the atoms, and that's how we will calculate the bond angle between them. So in the case of CH4, there are 0 lone pairs, and in NH3 there are 1 lone pair, and in H2O and H2S there are 2 lone pairs. And one more thing, the number of lone pairs is inversely proportional to the bond angle. So if there are more lone pairs, the bond angle will be shorter. So now let's check here. Here the hybridization of CH4 is sp3 and lone pair are 0, so it will have the largest in all of them, as it has 0 lone pairs. And NH3 has 1 lone pair, so it will be little shorter than the CH4. And what we'll do in this case is H2O, H2S both have sp3 hybridization and both have 2 lone pairs. So here it comes, here Drago compounds comes. H2S is a Drago compound, and these compounds have 90 to 93 degree of bond angle. So if you'll know what are the elements which are Draco compounds, then it will be easy for you to answer these types of questions. So you have to remember all the Draco compounds. Some of the Draco compounds are like PH3, ASH3, and then we have SPH3. Some more are BIH3, etc. So you have to remember those Draco compounds. They have the shortest. They have 90 degree of bond angle. So now we have found the H2S is a Drago compound, so it will have a bond angle of 92 degree. So here we can see CH4 has the largest bond angle, and that's how we'll solve the question. After finding the number of lone pairs and the hybridization, in this case the hybridization was equal, so we check the number of lone pairs between them, and in these two options, H2 and H2S, both the lone pairs and hybridization was same. So but H2S is a Drago compound, so it will have a bond angle of 90 degree, which makes it the shortest bond angle. So the largest is CH3, and this is the answer, CH3.